Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So Pilgrim recently launched their new range of skincare which is called Secrets of Venotherapy. If you have watched my previous Pilgrim video, I've talked about their first launch which was Secrets of Jeju Island, and this time they have come up with a new range. This new range is based on the French concept of venotherapy, in which effective anti-aging ingredients are used such as vitamin C, retinol, mulberry, wine extract and aloe vera. So they have launched a lot of new products and I have these three products with me. I have a face wash, also I have a face mist and toner, and I have a night gel cream. I will be talking about these three products in detail and will also be sharing with you all my thoughts on these products. Quickly talking about the brand, Pilgrim is Indian based brand and they are sulfate free, paraben free, alcohol free. They are free from all other toxic ingredients and they are also cruelty free. The packaging for their new launch is this purple color packaging. I really love the color combination. Also, it is very clearly mentioned on each packaging. So to start with, I have the first product with me, which is their red wine face wash, and this is infused with vitamin C and aloe. You get 100 gram of product in this and it retails for 350 rupees. Since the entire range is made up of anti-aging ingredients, this face wash have vitamin C and aloe vera in it. So we all know that vitamin C is really good for the skin. It helps in the production of collagen and it also works on reducing the signs of aging, and it gives you a nice youthful and firm skin. It works on wrinkles and fine lines as well, whereas aloe vera is a nice boost of hydration. It has inflammatory properties. It works on dark spots, also treats acne and gives a very soothing and calming effect to the skin. This product has a very mild fragrance and I absolutely love how these products smell. And talking about the texture of this product, face wash is a gel based face wash and it is light pink and peach in color. Also it has little bit of white granules in it. Since it's paraben free, it does not foam up, but it leaves your skin very clean and super hydrated. Talking about the second product, I have the red wine face mist and toner, and this one is infused with niacinamide and aloe vera. You get 100 ml of product and this retails just for 300 rupees. Talking about the packaging, this is how it looks. It comes in a plastic bottle like so. Also it has a spray thingy right here. Spray is really very fine and I absolutely love the fragrance of these products. They are so calming and refreshing. So once the face wash is done, I like to spray this toner all over my face. I love how this spray works. It's very fine. So the ingredient in this, which is niacinamide, helps in creating keratin in the skin that keeps the skin very firm and healthy. It also helps in reducing the pores and it also works on hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Plus this product also has aloe vera in it, and we all know aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties and it helps to keep our skin hydrated and calm. Moving on to the third product, I have the red wine night gel cream, and this one is infused with retinol, mulberry and vitamin C. All of these three ingredients are really great for the skin. You get 50 grams of product and this retails just for 650 rupees. So this also comes in a plastic tub like this, and when you open it, you have this protecting lid right here. And then you have the product in here. Like you can see, this product is light pink in color and it is a gel based cream. Quickly talking about the ingredients for this gel cream, the first one is retinol. Retinol helps in reducing the fine lines and wrinkles by increasing the production of collagen. Whereas mulberry, on the other hand, helps in reducing the dark spots, works on hyperpigmentation, also hydrates the skin and helps in reducing the signs of aging. So once the toner is applied, next step is to put the night cream, and the texture of this cream is gel based and it is very hydrating on the skin. It beautifully blends into the skin and absorbs very quickly, leaving your skin very hydrated. I personally love gel based night cream and this one has clearly become my favorite. So this was a quick review for these three products from the new launch of Pilgrim. I personally love this launch because it has my most favorite product that I use in my skincare, which is vitamin C. I always look for products which is anti-aging properties, and this entire range is something which fits perfectly to my need. Also I love gel based products, so this face wash and night cream is something that I absolutely love. After using all of these products for over 2 weeks now, I can say that I absolutely love enjoying these products and I would also recommend you all to try this one. And if you're curious to know which range I personally loved more, whether it's Secrets of Jeju Island Island or this range, which is Secrets of Venotherapy. I personally love this range because this has all the anti-aging products and also this is gel based. And from the other range, which is Secrets of Jeju Island, I absolutely love using the face wash. I've already finished that one, and rest of the products are also good, but this range is something that I love personally the most. So that's all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a like, do subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description, and I shall see you all with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching.